Hello everybody, this is Dean Young with All Solutions with another tip of the day. Had a customer call me who had a privacy fence installed, and the contractor who done it did not pre-drill the holes for the hinges. A lot of people just stick a screw right in and split the wood and the stability is gone. So what I'm going to do, or what I've already done so far, is pull this piece out. As you can see, it's split all the way down where they put the bolts in. Over here is my new piece. I got my new piece in here, and what I've done is I've pre-drilled my holes for my bolts. This is the bolt that I'm using right here, and I use this drill with a socket on the end, on low speed, very little pressure. I wouldn't necessarily use a impact wrench unless you're removing something that's really hard, but it's as simple as that. It's pre-drilled. Just stick my first bolt in here, right on there. Just want to keep an eye on that, keep it snug. That's it. 2 more to go and I'm all done. Thank you for watching. This has been a tip from Dean Young with All Solutions LLC.